my name is Juri Umagami. I teach here at Klein Academy my drawing class, Introduction to Classical Drawing. I've been drawing and painting since I was 8. And then I went to college, and then now here I'm teaching at Klein Academy. So in my drawing class, you're gonna learn basically how to draw, but step by step, really from how to hold your pencil, how much pressure you put on the paper, then moving on to measuring. So how to measure the object you're looking at. Eventually, you're gonna move on to chest drawing, so heads, part of the body, even like a full body. You can pick anything you want based on your skill level. So the first week you're gonna do some master copies. We use this bark plates. Charles Bark, he started back in 19th century, so you're gonna do some master copies. So this is my drawing, chest drawing of the hand. You can do some more advanced master copy too, such as this one I did for students to see. After you learn all the techniques, you can actually bring anything you want to draw. Use the technique you learned over the course, and then just do the subject you love. That's what we do in the class. I look forward to having you in my class. It's gonna be awesome.